The professor had many questions. Sadly, nobody seemed to know the answers.
Viewers, as you can see, I found this video from a very interesting and highly engaging channel. The best part is that these videos were generated with the help of completely free AI tools. Today, I'm going to show you the exact process so that you can create similar videos and potentially monetize your own channel. Without wasting any time, the first thing you need to do is open Facebook and search for a channel called Easy Learn Mate. As you can see, this channel has over 122K followers, which is an impressive audience. If we take a look at its content, you'll notice that it mainly uploads educational English learning reels that help viewers learn English in a simple and entertaining way. This is a highly engaging content category because people love learning useful skills while being entertained. As a result, viewers keep coming back for more. You can see that many of their reels have received hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. The content is creative, engaging, and packed with valuable information. Today, we're going to create similar videos using a completely free AI workflow. I have already prepared a master prompt, which you can find in the description. This master prompt includes the story structure, visual style, character consistency, scene requirements, and everything else needed to generate professional quality content. As you can see, I have written all the scenes one by one with detailed instructions. Now, simply copy the master prompt and open Google Gemini. Once Gemini is open, paste the prompt into the Ask Gemini section and click Generate. After waiting for a few moments, boom! You can see that Gemini has automatically generated all 10 scenes. Each scene includes image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts. Everything is organized and ready to use. You can review each scene individually and see how detailed and professional the generated prompts are. Now simply copy all of these prompts and save them in a document file for easy access. Next comes the image generation process. For this, open Flow AI, which is completely free to use. After logging in, select the image generation option. Then copy your first image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. As you can see, the image generation process has started. After waiting for a few seconds, boom! The first image is ready. Just look at the quality, the dramatic visuals, and the amazing 3D style. The result looks absolutely fantastic. Now I'll copy the second prompt, paste it, and generate another image. And once again, boom! Another incredible result. The AI is generating highly detailed 3D images with impressive quality and consistency. At this point, I'll continue the same process for all remaining scenes. I'll copy each prompt one by one, generate the images, and then show you the final results. After generating all the scenes, you can see that every image is ready. The quality is excellent, the visuals are highly engaging, and the overall style looks very professional. You can review all the generated scenes and download your favorite versions. Now that our images are ready, it's time to move on to the video generation section, where we'll transform these images into complete animated videos. Okay, viewers, now it's time to generate the videos. For this step, simply stay on Flow AI and click on the video option. Once you're inside the video generation section, select your first generated image. After that, paste the corresponding video prompt and click on the Generate button. As you can see, the video generation process has started. Now all you need to do is wait patiently for the AI to complete the rendering process. After a short wait, just boom! Our first video is ready. Take a look at the result. The motion is smooth, the scene looks dramatic, and the overall quality is quite impressive. However, this particular result is not exactly in the 3D style that I want, so I'll skip this version and move on to the next image. Now I select my second image, paste the prompt, and click on Generate once again. After waiting for a few moments, boom! My second video is now ready. And wow, this result is absolutely amazing. The video has been generated in a beautiful 3D style exactly as I wanted. The character movements, scene details, and overall cinematic feel look fantastic. The final result is right in front of you, and you can clearly see the quality difference. Next, I take another image, paste its prompt, and generate the video. After waiting for a short time, boom! Another professional quality video is ready. This one looks incredible as well. The animation quality is excellent, the movements are smooth, and the generated voice synchronization is surprisingly good. Everything looks clean, polished, and professional. You can see all the generated results on your screen. The quality is impressive, and Flow AI does a fantastic job of transforming static images into engaging animated videos. Overall, the platform delivers clean motion, good consistency, and excellent visual quality. Now let's move on to our second AI tool, which is called Digen AI. Digen AI is completely free to use and provides daily credits, making it a great option for beginners. After opening the platform, simply select the Real Motion 3.1 Turbo model. Now I upload my first image, paste the video prompt, and click on the Generate button. As soon as I start the generation process, the platform informs me that the video will be ready in approximately 2 minutes. After waiting for a short time, boom! My first video is now complete. And honestly, the result looks fantastic. The animation quality is smooth, the motion is natural, and the overall presentation is highly professional. The generated output looks very appealing and engaging. Now let's repeat the same process. I upload my second image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once again, I wait for about 2 minutes, and boom! My second video is ready. Take a look at this result. The quality is excellent, the motion is smooth, and the overall scene looks incredibly realistic. This video also turned out amazingly well. At this point, both videos have been successfully generated, and the results are outstanding. Each platform has produced high-quality animations with professional-level motion and visual consistency. Now I simply download all the generated videos, save them to my device, and get everything ready for the final editing process. And with that completed, we're now ready to move on to the editing section, where we'll combine all the generated assets and turn them into a complete, professional-looking video. Okay, viewers, now it's time for the final editing process. Simply open CapCut on your device. Once CapCut is open, import all the videos that you generated and drag them onto the timeline one by one. Arrange all the clips in the correct sequence according to your scenes. Now, here's a very useful trick that I want to show you. The main reason I brought you into CapCut is to demonstrate how you can easily remove the watermark or logo from your generated videos. After arranging all your clips on the timeline, select a video and use the Scale option. Simply zoom in slightly until the logo or watermark moves outside the visible frame. And just like that, boom! As you can see, the logo has been removed successfully, and your video now looks much cleaner and more professional. This allows us to use the generated footage without any distracting elements on the screen. You can repeat the same process for all of your clips. Once everything is cleaned up and properly arranged, your entire project will be ready for export. Now simply click on the Export button and export your video in 4K quality for the best possible results. After the export is complete, take a look at the final result. Wow! The final video looks absolutely amazing. The visuals are high quality, the animations are smooth, the scenes are engaging, and the overall production looks professional and eye-catching. I hope you enjoyed today's brand new AI content creation method using completely free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, make sure to subscribe to our channel because your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable content and exciting AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing idea. Until then, take care, stay creative, and goodbye.